This is definition of what is a radian. In the definition it is given an angle whose vertex is at the center of the circle which intercepts an arc length equal to radius of the circle is called 1 radian. Let us see how this diagram supports that. This is a circle and center. This is A, this is B. Both OA and OB are of radius R, and it is given that this is length of arc or arc length. This arc length should be equal to radius. Then the angle that is written here is called 1 radian. So here a circle where OA is equal to OB is equal to AB is equal to radius R. Then this angle AOB is called 1 radian and it is denoted by 1 as a power, we write it as C.